Welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. This video is so special to me. It really is so special to me because it's special because you all, the 12,000 subscribers I have, y'all made it to me getting here. And this is my first PR packaging. Because of Shop My and the outpouring of support that y'all have been giving me on Shop My, I was gifted and put on a PR list for Beautyblender. And I think I've had this box going on 3 days, and I couldn't do it yesterday. But I was so excited and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Beautyblender, for reaching out to me, looking at my work and appreciating my work and my community growing here. And so they told me to go on their website and pick out whatever I wanted. And so look at this, wrapped up all beautiful and everything. Oh, and so look at the tissue paper with the little beauty blender. Okay, now I've bought beauty blenders before, and I've bought off brands, but y'all really do know nothing really stands next to the beauty blender. So I got two things. I got a Nude beauty blender, and I got the Power Pocket Puff. Now y'all know everybody's ordering puffs. I just ordered a puff, and when they told me I can go pick out anything, I said, now I know what the beauty blender does, but the puff, I didn't even know they had one. And so I'm over here struggling trying to get it open. But okay, let's take a look at, oh. Girl, wait a minute. My God, today. When I tell you this isn't, okay, excuse me, beauty blender? Excuse me? Girl, look at this. Number one, this is not your regular beauty powder puff. I've never seen anything. Look. No, really, look. Oh my goodness. Girl, I didn't know y'all was doing that. Beauty blender. It's got the beauty blender on the back. Oh, wow. Now this is luxe. I wish I can't wait to try this out. Oh. Girl, y'all. Okay. I have been outdone. I've never seen a beauty blender like this. This is just, I'm trying to see what is this made of? What have y'all did? This is, I've never seen a puff like this. I've never seen it, and I've never seen one that has like hair. The other ones, I'm I'm sorry. I know I'm speechless right now, but this is, I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen this. Let me, dual-sided power pocket puff. Patented. Precision puff technology. Girl, if it ain't patented, I don't know what it is, because the only way I can tell y'all how to feel it is to, I'll put the links down. Y'all gonna have to see this on y'all own. I've never seen anything like this. I promise you. So, wait a minute. So you can turn this inside out? Whoa. Now, y'all know about the Beauty Blender. If you haven't, a lot of people make blenders, but nothing like this. Nothing like the real thing. You know, Beauty Blender they were first. They came out with this, and I've gotten the dupes of other companies, but no, nobody does it better than Beauty Blender. And this Power Pocket Puff is, I'm still stunned. I really am. I'm still stunned. Number one, this is the softest Power Puff that I've ever felt, and I've ever seen one that's constructed like this. I've just never seen it. And I wish you all could see. It's like it has hair. I can't wait to try this. So yeah, that was I want to thank all 12,300 of you for making this possible. Thank you so much, Beauty Blender. I know I'm not made up right now. I'm nurturing the passing of my sister on yesterday, but I wanted to try and push through, and I do appreciate you all sending me these free gifts, for gifting me these, and I don't know what y'all got here, Beauty Blender. I don't know what y'all done did, but I got a sneaky suspicion that I'm gonna like it. I will link both of these products, and y'all know when I finally do get back up and putting makeup on, y'all know I will be doing a in-depth try with this Power Pocket Puff. Excuse you. Girl, you got some power up in here I don't know nothing about. We gonna see. We're gonna see. Thank y'all, Beauty Blender. Thank you to my subscribers, and thank y'all to the community for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Just give me a little time to nurse my little wounds, and we're gonna be back rocking and rolling, because I really need to see what's going on with that Power Pocket Puff. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe.